Hey traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome to our trading analysis. Someone sent me a message to review, do a full breakdown on GBPJPY. So I'm gonna give you the whole full breakdown of how to trade GBPJPY like a pro. This is an ultimate GBP strategy. So hopefully this video will help you. But let's go ahead and see what the market is doing on GBPJPY. So here it is, guys. Pay close attention because remember, I'm gonna be breaking down the entire pair step by step so you can learn and see what the market has to offer. So this is the first thing that you always have to look. Always pay attention to your time frame. The larger time frame is very important to look at the larger time frame because it will tell you the direction of the trend. So in this scenario here, we have our daily time frame stating the market is selling, but we have the 4 hours telling us the market is going on the opposite way. This is what I usually tell traders, guys. So basically what this represent here is a pullback. So if you don't know how to trade pullback, in my opinion, stay away, do not trade it. But I'm gonna break it down because that's what I'm here for. So I'm here to teach you how to trade GBPJPY like a pro and ultimate GBPJPY strategy, right? Trading strategy. So as you see here, market is giving us a pullback. So if you pay attention to our multiple time frame is letting us know here the market is giving us a sell position. Even our white arrow multiple time frame is confirming that yes, the market is in a sell position. So what's next? We need to pay attention if our TW sniper entry is also going in the same direction as their sell position. If you pay attention here, rule number 1 is met, rule number 2 is met, rule number 3 is met. Look at the stairs. The stairs telling us that we are in a sell position on GBPJPY. So market, to be honest, right now it is selling. That's all it's doing, is selling. But the question here is, that's why the trader sent me this message. So Irvin, can you do a full breakdown on GBPJPY? Because look at what the 4 hours is stating. The 4 hours is showing us the market is in a bullish trend. That is true. The market is doing right now, if you didn't know, right now the market is doing the following. Let me type it here because it's very important for you to know. The market is giving us a pullback / buy position at this present time. All right, so market is gonna open on Monday, well, Sunday evening for Monday. So remember, holidays are coming, guys. This coming week is gonna be a short week, so be careful. So all we know here is the market is giving us a pullback, right? So here it is. Look at what the multiple time frame is letting us know here. It's letting us know the market is in that buy trend as we speak. So market still bullish. Let me delete everything so all these drawings so you will not get confused. So yes, that is true. Market here is buy, so it's doing a pullback. How far is that pullback is gonna go? In my opinion, we look at here, guys. Remember, it's selling. Look at the continuation of the sell. Confirmation 1, confirmation 2 is building it up. It's building, guys. If you see that dots in there, look at that. It's already creating that sell position. But in my opinion, market is still gonna come back to your 38.2 Fibonacci level one more time, making this dot stronger, and then boom, market will continue on that sell trend. Remember, the sellers are in charge of the market. So market is gonna come to your 61.8 Fibonacci. Why that level? Because there's previous multiple time frame in here, or either if it doesn't respect this 61.8, guys, it will come to your previous multiple time frame, another 30 more pip below. Then from there, market is gonna do a small pullback. That's all I'm seeing here on GBPJPY, and hopefully this ultimate GBP trading strategy help you on. Guys, make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Support by giving us a thumbs up and sharing this video to the world. Okay, so let me know if you guys want me to record another video, and I will be more than happy to do so. All right, guys, so take care, and I will see you on the other side of the aisle. Peace out. Love you. Bye.